It is an insulation tester for electric cars and for hybrids. This is their device for electric vehicles and hybrids to test the battery. So if we look over here, we have the information about the battery for each cell. So we know which cell has a lower voltage and which cell has a higher voltage. If the difference is too high, then the battery will go into fault and then we'll have to fix it. So the most important value is over here. This is the difference of voltage between the most high voltage cell and the most low voltage cell. If this value is above 0.005, the battery may go into fault. That depends on the battery type. Another important information is over here, the total voltage of the battery. Because each cell put together is about 3.6 individually. Put together they reach 351 volts. Then we can compare this information with information on the battery according to the manufacturer and verify if our battery is charged or not. Those two are the main information. This programmer over here is the immobilizer programmer from Launch. What does it do is programming keys, but there are also some functions made by Launch in other devices, including ECU cloning. So for example here, we have a brief description of the service they do on ECU and TCU programming and cloning. Actually, Launch is not really, the most reliable company in terms of programming ECU or keys, because development is made by other companies. But for somebody who wants to trust one single brand to have several devices which can do almost everything, it can be an option.